Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea and Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So I am using mold by molds and shape. Don't worry about the circles you see. It is something that has been transferred onto the mold and it do not affect the end result. So I have mixed my resin, already poured it into the mold. It is the fast cure resin by Let's Resin and I'm using their alcohol inks. So this is the ink that I'm using. So as the spring is approaching, I am going towards making better flowers as I showed you another video earlier and everyone loved it. So I thought I'll give it another try and let's see how this one turns out. So the center color is a light yellow sort of color, and for the outer color, I'm using this pink and it is very neon shade of pink here. So here I'm using the alcohol ink. So this is actually a 4-hour cure resin and it is their fast cure. So you really don't have to wait for this one. So that's the reason I used it. Before I used a resin where I have to wait. With this one, I have done no waiting. I have mixed the Let's Resin white pigment paste, and with the help of the piping bag, I'm making the design. So I'm going to use some shapes that are a bit of an experiment using different styles. So in the center, I am going with these short lines, as you can see. And also you can see that I have added nothing in the center. It is just the simple pigment paste, and this is something I'm also trying. And now I'm thinking of what to do next. So next I am going to make some circles. So my only fear is that I want to balance the flower. I am very bad at doing the balancing. You can say the left, right, everything. I try to keep myself on the track and later on the lines are going here and there. But good thing is that resin is forgiving and it sometimes do help you. So after making the circles, now I'm adding another circle into the center. That is a smaller one. So this is what I will be doing on all of these. After doing the center, now I'm going to do another one and you will see. And this is where I'm going to draw the circle. Yes, I am going overboard with this. Let's hope and fingers crossed that this will work. Adding some dots here and there. It's just everything is so random. I just want to see how this is going to bloom and what is going to be the end result. So these were the spots that were left. Yes, their spaces are different sizes. So yeah, different sides of circle on every area. And after that, I'm going to use a toothpick. Just be careful that it don't touches your mold. And I'm just making a little bit of petals, not going to disturb a lot with this design. Sometimes I really just want to see that without using anything, that the flower is going to bloom someday. I'm going to do that also. But it's the itching that you have to do something. So that's basically what I'm doing here. And I can see the flower is starting to bloom really lovely and there is no mishap, but we will see after when it is fully cured, how it's going to turn out. So now I will leave this to cure and I will see you next day. So this is the next day. I can see there is something good, and now I'm going to do a background on this one. Last one, everyone asked me to use a background, how the flower is going to look like. So I'm going to show you that also. But for today, I'm going to use this one, and this is going to be a single layer flower. Usually I'm doing 2 layers of flower these days, but this is a single one, just the back coat, and then today's the day, and I'm going to demold it, and let's see how this is going to turn out. Fingers crossed. The green is such a lovely shade. I hope the flower, it do complements the flower. So this is the mold. And here is the flower bloom. Oh my God. It is so lovely. And I can say that it is, I think there is no negative point to this flower. It is amazing. Now I'm going to do the top coat. I'm really loving the green background here. And the pink is lovely. It's a magical flower indeed, and time to do the top coat. And the top coat is done. Now I will show you the final result, and this is the final result. Already the flower has bloomed lovely. The top coat is going to add that extra finish on the top, and the background green. Other than the black, I am usually a black person. I always do a black background for the flowers, but this time I have done this green color, and all in all it has a lovely finish. For the top coat, again, I have used the 4 hours cure fast cure resin by Let's Resin, and it has given a lovely top finish here. As the weather is changing, so the resin also react. All in all, it is a lovely flower, and I love it. And I think I'm going to now do some more experiments. And if you have any color in your mind, if you want me to do that, please do let me know, and I will maybe try that next time. So that's it for today, and I hope you liked today's video. And if you did, please do let me know in comments if you have any suggestions. Like, subscribe, and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take very good care of yourself. Bye bye.